welcome back to my channel. This is the planner flip through of my A5. I was asked to be the guest creator from Cocoa Daisy for the month of November with the Doodles and Dashes 2 design kit, and so I wanted to share that with you. My planner is a Moterm, and I can link it below. I actually got it on Amazon and it was delivered the next day, and I just love the color for fall. So first, I just have the inside here decorated with different little cards, a gift card here. This is from Cocoa Daisy. I kind of cut that down from one of the dashboards, and my clips here, I got those from Berry Sweet Plans, except this one is from Cocoa Daisy. And anyway, I just tried to make it look very fall-like and incorporate the colors that I can. It's got a flip here where I can put some extra stickers and my color code for the Doodles and Dashes there, so I can kind of color coordinate well. This is just my very first page. I kind of stuck it on here to my first, this is the fly page or something, but this just seemed appropriate. This is a leaf that I picked up outside, and I loved it, and fall is just my favorite season, and I thought I wanted to incorporate it into my planner, and so I thought it has to be the very first page, otherwise it's just gonna get crushed. And so this, I used the Cocoa Daisy sticker letters, and it is a French word, and so it just kind of struck me, and I thought I'm gonna learn a new word. Now, I did look up how to pronounce it, and I don't think I can do it, but you don't pronounce the L's. So few mort is, I think, how you say it. And I also have this little card back here, which tells me what it means. So it means of the color of dead or dying leaves, a brownish orange. It also means autumn leaf. And so I wanted to start my planner off this month with this because I love fall leaves so much. And this is my Grateful for Life clip from Cocoa Daisy, the Cocoa Daisy pen for the month. And then on this side, I just have the card for November, so that's handy. And on the back, I put my Simon card, and I stuck it in a clear little pouch here because I want to be able to keep it and use it other times. And I just thought that was so cute, so I just added some die cut stickers here and keep that handy right there. A little fox clip, and then this was actually from Cocoa Daisy last month. I did kind of keep some of my Cocoa Daisy stuff from last month because it is fall, and thought it was appropriate. So this is my first dashboard for November. It's actually the big dashboard and the small one, and I cut it down, and then the rest of this one, I used part of it here. So, but I did use puffy little dots here, like these, right here, and kind of give it some lift here. And then I have chipboard stickers here that I kind of tucked under, so it worked perfectly. And then going over here, this was one of the clear, you can see the design here. This came in the kit this month, and the scalloped edge here, I'm not sure you can see that, yeah. And then I used some of my cards from the kit and just put them in this pouch here to keep them handy if I need them to jot notes with. So I thought that was really good and handy. My acrylic bookmark little thing here, my heart is ever grateful, and with the sticky notepad. Also, on this, I used the bottom of it here, and I wrapped some of my washi tape around it in case I need it while I'm out. I can just unwrap some of that and it's handy. And then this is my vellum from the kit, but I cut it down. I really liked the colors in it, and I just wanted to do more of like a Dutch door type thing. And so I cut it down, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. I was able to put a card on this side, but I put a card on this side too, because sometimes you can see through the vellum. And so it worked out perfectly. Some of my glitter dots here. Again, I originally, when I would try to use these, I just didn't know that I would ever use them, and now I use them with every planner that I design. I just feel like they add that extra little touch. This beautiful bow came in the Cocoa Daisy kit this month. This I made in my last month for October, and I just thought I'm gonna move it forward because it's still fall and I loved it, and it's a bucket list, and I'm not done with my bucket list. So that's another dashboard. These are the die cut stickers. And on this side, I used the other pouch that came with the kit this month. Beautiful. I just added some color behind it. One of the cards that came with it, I just cut that down, and one of the sticky notepads. Very convenient to have right there. Another one of the dashboards. Again, I just didn't feel like I needed to do anything to it because it was beautiful as is. Sometimes I feel like simplicity is better. Okay, and this is just my month. Again, keeping it very simple. I did my numbers and some stickers. These stickers I printed from the Doodles and Dashes Planner Printable, and I got that free with my subscription. So I went on and printed it out, and I used a clear sticker paper to print them out, and they turned out really nice. And you can kind of see there's a sheen to them. And this was just one of the puffy stickers, and this was washi tape from the kit. Again, sometimes I just like to keep my calendar simple. And this is one of our cute little pocket cards that came in this month. Let the things you create remind you there is more to your story. And again, you can see I utilized that dashboard again, one of the Novembers, and I made this into a meal plan. So I can write down my Thanksgiving meal plan right here. And on this side, the adorable Cocoa Daisy magnetic clip this month. Again, coordinates so beautifully with all of the colors this month and the beautiful pen. And I used chipboard there. This goes into my weeklies. Again, for me, simple is better. I was able to just go through, do my numbers, and just do a little bit of design here. Each week I did this. So I'll flip through these. I don't want to take too long on my planner flip through. I know sometimes they can get to be too much, but if you have any questions, let me know and I will respond. I just have a notes section here with just lined paper. If I need that, could be a very busy month. And this is my last page of lined, and then I backed it because I love how the acetate looks against this color. I just thought that was beautiful. I was looking for the right color to put behind it and what to do, but this acetate came with the kit this month and I just loved it. This is a clear pouch that came in a previous kit from Cocoa Daisy, and I think Vanessa, I want to say, no, Natasha, did a demonstration where she cut this down, and I thought that was really clever to use it as a pocket. And this is just something that I've had for a while, so I used one of the Cocoa Daisy little pocket cards to go here. And this is just a little envelope that I keep handy, and I can use this for recipes or die cuts or stickers or grocery lists or anything that I need to for the month of November. And I can pull that out and take it with me, or just take it just like this. Another dashboard, again, just using my circle cutter and cutting that out and layering it. This back here was a dashboard from last month. And so I was just able to layer it with a couple of things and incorporate it, but give it a new look. This is from Berry Sweet Plans. I've had all of these bows for years, and so it's fun to pick them up and use them again. This was from last month, but I kept it because I loved it, and it's just going to be part of my planner every month. And then I just go into a section that I don't ever change. This is in the kitchen, and so this is my menu, what basically I eat every day, and I go through the whole month. It's pretty simplistic, and so it goes all the way back to here. And then I have something else that I keep in every planner that I do. It's a beauty planner, and so it's just notes of things that I use and things that I prefer and my beauty routine, which I need to write down. Makeup collection, hair collection, and then these are just some notes that I need to put in. Back here is just this holds my business cards. And then I just have a collection of different gift cards that I collect. Whenever I go to Starbucks, I tend to pick up, and it's one of my favorite ones because I love taking pictures. And another one of my favorites. Never been to Seattle, but maybe someday. Anyway, but again, just try to incorporate some fun back here and include the fall colors. My mild liner here, this came with the kit from Cocoa Daisy this month, so I can use that as I'm doing my planning with my monthly and weekly. And that is it. I tried to go through this pretty quickly. If you have any questions, let me know below. Thanks for watching. Bye.